Hello everyone, good day class. Hope all of you are doing fine and great. I am teacher Daisy
And I am teacher Lizelle.
and today we were going to discuss to you such an interesting topic. Are you ready class? Okay, great.
Objectives. Knowledge. Identify the step-by-step process in subtraction. Skills. Solve word problems involving subtraction. Attitude. Show appreciation in working with group activity.
To start our day class, for us to be all guided by His presence, let us stand and pray. Let us put ourselves in the holy presence of God. In the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit. Amen. Good day, class! Before you take your seats, kindly pick up the piece of papers under your chairs or arrange your chairs as well. Okay, very good. Let's take your seat. Go. Okay, for the checking of attendance, when I call your name, you should say present for me to know that you are here in our class. Very good everyone, all of you are present. Last time, we discussed about what? What we discussed last time? Okay, very good. It's all about addition. To test you, if you really remember our lesson last time, as you can see, I am holding here a flashcard. All you need to do is to answer each flashcard. Please raise your right hand if you know the answer. Do you understand? Okay, let's start. 6 plus 3 is equals? Okay, very good. The answer is 9. Next. 5 plus 2 is equals? Okay, very good. The answer is 7. Next. 2 plus 4 is equals? Okay, very good. The answer is 6. Next. 10 plus 2 is equals? Okay, very good. The answer is 12. And the last one is 10 plus 10 is equals? Okay, very good. The answer is 20. Very good, class. You all answer it correctly. Since you already understand the lesson addition, let us proceed to our next lesson. Are you ready to start our new lesson? Okay, great. But before that, let us stand again to sing and dance. Do you know the math song? Okay, let's sing the song. Mathematics, mathematics, I love math, I love math. It is so exciting, very interesting. I love math, I love math. Mathematics, mathematics, I love math, I love math. It is so exciting, very interesting. I love math, I love math. For our activity, I will read you a short story and I will ask some questions afterwards. There is a young girl whose name is Elsa. She is kind and industrious child. She is already in grade 2 pupil in Velia Elementary School. She loves reading books rather than playing around. One day, early in the morning, after doing the household chores, she starts reading books that has 345 pages. After a week, she finished reading the 123 pages. How many pages she needs to read to finish the book? Okay. Number 1 question is, What kind of hobby that Elsa have? Again, what kind of hobby that Elsa love? Yes? Okay, Elsa loves reading. Number 2 question. What is the conflict in the short story? Again, what is the conflict in the short story? Yes? Okay, the conflict is the remaining pages of the book. Third question. What kind of process that you need to apply to solve the problem? What kind of process that you need to apply to solve the problem? Yes? Okay, subtraction. Number 4. How many pages did Elsa read after a week? Then, how many pages did Elsa read after a week? Yes? Elsa read 120 pages. Very good. And number 5 is, what is the total pages of the book? Again, what is the total pages of the book? Yes? Okay, very good. 345 pages. Okay, who have an idea what is our topic for today? Yes, very good. Our topic for today is subtraction. So what is subtraction? So subtraction means taking away a number, and its answer tells us how much is left after we take away a part of it. And using this symbol. So subtraction is minus or buhaan. The first is menyuan. Menyuan is the first quantity or number being subtracted to subtrahend. Next is subtrahend, the second quantity or number subtracted to menyuan. Then differences, the quantity or number after being subtracted. So, in short, si menyuan mao ang number nga minusan ni subtrahend. Then, si subtrahend ang number nga gi-minus ni menyuan. Then, ang differences is ang answer. So, class, as what you can see in our PowerPoint presentation, we have here an apple tree and a pear tree. So, let's solve the apple tree first. So, there are 5 apples. One of them fall on the ground. So, how many apples left on the tree? Yes, very good. There are 4 apples remaining on a tree. So, the 5 is the menyuan, 1 is the subtrahend, then the 4 is the difference. So next is the pear tree. In a pear tree, there are 7 pears, and 2 of them fall on the ground. So how many pears left on a tree? Yes, there are 5 pears remain on a tree. So the 7 is the menyuan, and the 2 is the subtrahend, and the 5 is the difference. So we have here an example for you to understand what is subtraction is all about. So, here in our example, so in the first line, it shows the minuend. Then, the second is the subtrahend. Then, the difference in a last row. Then, this sign would be the subtraction symbol. So, first example, 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. Second, 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. Then the third is 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. Very good, students. So now I'll show you a word problem. First is, there are 6 fish swimming. 2 of the fish swim away. How many fish are left? So, naapunoy unom kabuok isda. Unya, ang duha nila ning langoy palayo. So, atong counter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, unom kabuok isda. Unya kay ang duha nila ning langoy palayo. So, atong kuhaan kay minus man. So, 1, 2. So, pila na lang man kabuok isda ang nahabilin. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, 4 kabuok isda ang nahabilin. And number 2 word problem is, Sebastian has 5 apples. He gives away 3 apples to his friend. How many apples does he have now? So, si Sebastian kuno naay 5 kabuok apples. So, mag-count ta. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, 5. Ang tulo-puno ka apple, iyang gihatag sa iyang amigo. So, iyang mang gihatag, so atong kuhaan. 1, 2, 3. So, pila na lang man kabuok apple ang nahabilin ni Sebastian. So, atong counton. 1, 2. So, 2 na lang kabuok ang nahabilin nga apple ni Sebastian. For your group activity, we have a game. This game is called Eat Me First. I will group you into 4. So please count in 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Since you have already your respective groups, you're going to do is to eat first the banana before, in order for you to answer the subtraction problem on the board. The first one in the line will answer first, followed by the last number. The group who will answer immediately and got the correct answer will be the winner. I am going to rate you according to your speed and accuracy. Is that clear? Okay, very good. Let's start our game. Okay, our winner is Group 2. Let's give them a round of applause, but give yourselves also a big hand. I see that you master our lesson for today. For your assessment, please get a piece of paper and solve the following. I will give you 15 minutes. Start! Okay, very good. All of you got the correct answer and got the perfect score. It tells that you learned from our lesson for today. And for your assignment, you need to draw objects that show subtraction. And that's all for today, class. We hope that you've learned something from us. See you in our next meeting. Goodbye!